of sorrow wrapped in grief, bow your ear to our relief. You for us the path have trod of the dreadful wrath of God. You the cup of fire have drained, till its light alone remain. Lamb of love, our comfort be, hear our mournful litany. By the garden filled with woe, where to rescue oft would go, by your agony of prayer, in the desolation there, by the dire and deep distress, more than human mind can guess. Lord, our grief in mercy see, hear our fervent litany. By that bitter cup of pain, when your strength began to wane, by those lips which once did pray that it might but pass away, by the heart which drank it dry, lest the human race should die. In your pity grant our plea, hear our solemn litany. Man of sorrows, let your grief purchase for us our relief. Lord of mercy, bow your ear, slow to anger, swift to hear. By the cross's royal road, lead us to the throne of God, there to sing triumphantly heaven's glory.